Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be talking about one important thing we need to know about the investment platforms. Um, I want to be making an honest review about the stock market investment and also the fixed income investment, which are treasury bills and also bonds, commercial paper, and so on. So I want to make an honest review about both using layman language and using what we can basically understand as youth and also beginners in the stock market stage. And if you're new in the stock investment or also new in the bills, treasury bills, and bond investment. So let's get into the video. Let this sink into your head. In most cases, the stock market aims to deliver within 8 months, 2 months, 3 months interval, while the fixed income like treasury bills and bonds aim to deliver at the full potential in a year. So these are one of the differences you should also note while trying to choose which one to invest into. It is important to know that the stock market carry more higher risk than fixed income, which like bonds and commercial paper thereabout or those. And then they are volatile. The volatility is much in stock markets. The prices pull back and goes up and pull back sometimes. So you need to watch it and then know which one you want to do, when to sell and when to pull out for the market. So in this sense, you need to have knowledge. Knowledge is what differentiates you from people who are in the stock market and people who are in the treasury market. So you need to know which one you want to do and know have the background knowledge of which of the investments fits you better. Sometimes people don't have uh they have low risk tolerance and some people have high risk tolerance. So you need to define the kind of person you are. If you are able to withstand with the volatility of the stock markets, can do for it. But if you're a person that you don't have high risk tolerance, you can go for the fixed income, which is treasury bills, bonds, and so on. However, this is the difference. Risk without knowledge is very dangerous, and risk with knowledge is manageable and controllable. That differentiates you from those who just dive into the market without having the knowledge of it, and those who dive into the market with the prior knowledge of what they are diving into. We need to understand that the reinvestment truth about the both helps you preserve capital and help you to gain more interest and more profits, making your money work for you. But then we need to understand one goal common in both. The goal is to gain financial freedom. While we're comparing the two, we need to have one thing at the back of our mind. One as predictable outcome, predictable returns, which is the fixed income, like bills, treasury bills, and bonds. While the other one does not have predictable outcome because the prices are volatile. But in my own conviction, I will choose the stock market because myself, I have high risk tolerance and I don't have much patience as a person to start waiting for a year to make my profit. Sometimes we just want to have the turnover and within a period of months, some months, and use the money to invest in other things or use to do things at the period of time. So, if a young person and looking forward to investing, you would want to go into the stock market. But if you have low tolerance, you can actually go into this fixed treasury bills. But then you need to have the back of your mind that the treasury bills and also the bonds, commercial paper, and so on requires you to make much investment. It requires much capital. Unlike the stock market where you can invest as low as 10,000 or 5,000 naira and you can also double the money in a short period of time. So my conclusion is that the stock market rewards those who invest or learn and use its knowledge to multiply their income, multiply their finances within a short period of time. You don't have to start big with $1 million or thousands of naira, millions of naira. You can start as low as 10,000, 5,000 naira. I have a written book that I title The Roadmap Practical Roadmap to Investing as a Low Income Earner in Nigeria. At the stock market exchange, you can invest as low as possible. Click into click on the link on my bio and also send me a DM. I can be a resource person. on this topic. Bye.